Lie on your back in a comfortable location, popping one or both hands underneath your low back and possibly your sacrum. If you have neck pain, it's okay to pop your hand behind your head. Bend one leg and keeping the ankle on the floor, and then lift your shoulders off the ground and hold this position. Depending on your strength, that might be for 5 seconds or 10 seconds or even 20 or 30. When you've completed your first rep, go back to the start position and you can just swap legs.
To book a treatment at Knead Massage and Natural Therapies, you can click the link below or call us to book your appointment. And it would be very helpful if you like this video, and we'll see you at our clinic. Have a lovely day.